one of the problems with ear training is we'll have you listen to a perfect fifth. And we'll say, listen to the characteristic sound. And then we'll play perfect fifth at different pitch levels. And we'll expect you to be able to just identify those perfect fifths on all these different keys. And that's a very difficult thing to do. So what I would like to do is create a simpler ear training program where it becomes very difficult for you to make a mistake. So the idea behind this is that if you don't make mistakes, the ear doesn't get confused. And the way it will work is there will be a video that you just listen to each day. And then there will be quizzes along the way. So the videos, you just go through, you listen to them, you stay engaged, and you're done for the day. You'll be done in about 30 minutes. The quizzes are also about 30 minutes. We're going to start very incrementally, very easy, and we're going to go step by step. So even if you're an advanced musician that already has a really good ear, or if you have perfect pitch and you can easily identify notes on the piano, one of the things that this course will do is it will help those with perfect pitch and those with relative pitch develop the ability to just kind of instantly hear, oh, that's a perfect fifth, it sounds like this. Oh, that's a major third, it sounds like this. We want to get used to the qualities of these chords and intervals and not rely on gimmicks like perfect fourth is Here Comes a Bride. That kind of thing will work to help you get through a university ear training test, but it won't help you with dictation, and it won't give you that really in-depth experience that you get when you have a really refined ear. Because when you start to develop your ear and you listen in the way this course is going to teach you, what's going to happen is you're going to start hearing things in music that you haven't heard before. And it'll probably take a couple weeks. Some of you may take up to 2 months to really start to notice these changes, but once you notice them, you'll know this course is working. So I'm really excited about this because I've been interested in ear training since about 2003 when I started graduate school. That's when I really understood how important ear training was. And then I started teaching in the university, and I've been doing that for about 7 years. And we don't really have an opportunity to teach ear training in the way that I want to teach it to you, which is a very slow, a very gradual, and a very progressive approach that's easy. So if that's something you're interested in, I don't normally ask this, but please click the like button so that I know there's interest. Share it with your friends so that we can get the word out, and leave a comment if you have any questions about that. I think it's going to be a really exciting program. I know for certain that the first unit will be completely free on YouTube. I hope to keep the entire thing free, but it's really going to be a massive time investment on my part, and it's going to depend on how successful it actually is through this medium. If it's not very successful, in order to justify the time investment that it's going to take, I'll probably have to charge for the remaining units, but you can check out the entire first month. You'll see a benefit, and then you'll know whether or not this program is right for you. So that's number one. The second thing is I'm creating a new music theory video series that will be completely free. So if you go over to the community tab, you can actually vote for that. So there's going to be form and analysis, Schenkerian analysis, counterpoint, or you can take the 20th or 21st century technique. So if you vote on one of these, then I'm going to choose the one that gets the most votes, and that'll be the course I create. So both these things will be coming in June, so keep an eye out for that. And please make sure you do like this video, only if you're interested, and go ahead and leave a comment if you have any questions. And I'm looking forward to going on this little journey with you. Should be a lot of fun.